Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can view your data usage on Windows 11. So if you want to overview the data that you already spent on Windows 11 when you try to use your internet, you can access the settings on your Windows 11. Then you can click on Network and Internet. Here you can try to find advanced network settings, view all network adapter and network reset. Here we go. There is in more setting, there is option data usage. You can click it, and here we go. Windows can help you track data usage and stay under your limit if you want to enter the limit, but it will not change your data plan. As you can see, the usage statistic from the last 30 days is 447 megabyte. Mostly I use a Chrome when I'm access the internet, and the others follow. So the data measured by your device, your service provider measurement may differ, and even you can reset the usage stats. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and subscribe the next button below. See you in the next video.